like a Hellcat.
Namaskar. Hello friends. I'm sure you all must be healthy and fine. Being healthy is everyone's choice. But still, sometimes we invite few things which are not good for us and we make ourselves unhealthy. You must be thinking what I'm talking about. Wait, let me ask you a question. Have you ever understood by yourself that yes, because I become angry, the things are not going right, so I should not be angry, I should avoid anger? Yes, each one of us. We always try to avoid anger. Can we avoid anger? Is it so easy? Or is it real? No. Anger is what? Anger is not a person or a thing to whom you can avoid. Anger is something which is inside you, and that is inside you only if you want. It cannot be by itself inside you. You don't believe? Okay, let me give you an example. Avoid is what? That suppose there is a house or a place or a shop or something where you don't want to go, you avoid it. You don't look at there because it is there, but you don't want to look at it. You avoid it. That is what is avoiding. Is anger something like this, that you don't want to look at it and so you are avoiding? No dear, anger is something which you are inviting inside you. Now you'll ask, how do we invite anger? Come on, let us see. How do we invite anger? When we find something going in front of us which is not as per our own choice, what do? We start inviting anger. We start becoming angry. That's what is inviting anger. If suppose my kid is not studying when I want him to study, he is not studying, what will I do? I'll become angry. I will become angry. It is not that anger will come to you, I will become angry. So it's my choice to become angry. Got it? That is what is right. Actually, anger is something which we ourselves are inviting and we are becoming angry. And what is the result of it? We are spoiling our peace of mind, we are spoiling our relations, we are spoiling our health. And for all these things, we very bravely blame others. Why am I angry? Why? Because my kids are not listening to me. Why I am angry? Because my co-workers are not working according to me. Why am I angry? Because the surroundings are not happening according to me, so I am becoming angry. Is your becoming angry giving any solution? No, not at all. Then why should I become angry? It means that if becoming angry is not giving you solution, it is just giving you problems. So stop becoming angry. Why to become angry then? Now how can I do it? How can I see that I get peace of mind? How can I see that my relations are happy, everyone is happy, and on that, how can I see that I am healthy? It is in my hand. I should not become angry. If I am not angry, no one else can come and make me angry. It is said that don't give the remote of your happiness in others' hands. If people are doing something which you don't like, avoid it. Of course, yes, every time avoiding is not possible. If my child is not studying as per my choice, I just can't avoid it. But then there are other ways to react to it. And always remember, if you react to a situation, it is always harmful. It is only responding to a situation, and responding is always after a thought. Reaction is immediate. So first point is stop reacting, start responding to the situation. Now what to do for responding? Take a minute, think about what is happening, find out what is the reason, see that if there is any proper solution of it. And solution is always there. There is no lock without a key. So there is every problem with a solution. What you have to do is try to sit and talk. Have communication. When you communicate, when you discuss, there is always solutions. You can find out solution. And in that way, when you are communicating to the person whose task or whose actions you are not liking, you will develop a relation. So slowly you are going to have a better relations. So Always remember, dear friends, anger you cannot avoid because it's not there a person like. You can stop becoming angry by listening to the things, by understanding the things, by finding out the reasons behind it. When you find the reasons behind the things not happening according to you, either you change your way of looking at things, and if you feel what do you want is right, then try to make the things proper. You will find that things will improve. With that, you will have your peace of mind, you will have your relations, and also you will have your health. Perfect. Remember, friends, anger doesn't solve anything. It builds nothing, but it can destroy everything. I hope you understood. Do not think of avoiding anger. Try not to become angry. Try to discuss, try to find solutions, and try to communicate whatever is there with you. Communicate with the people to whom you feel angry. Instead of becoming angry on them, try to discuss and find the solution. You will feel slowly happy and peace of mind will be there with you. Try it out and I'm sure you will find the difference. Thank you. Have a nice day. And all those who are new at my channel, Sharing and Caring, I would request them to like, share and subscribe my channel for new topics coming up. Thank you. Have a nice day.